All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful morning. Anyways, as you can see up here, people, look at this. Pay attention, people. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We are just 2,000 short. 2,000. I know people that's actually a lot of people. 2,000, that's a lot of people. But the only way we can achieve that, the only way I see us achieving that, people, is by you guys helping me, helping us, helping the family, the MG Sports family, achieving that just by sharing the video and advising your friend, your grandma, even little baby. We know, so we have some 3-year-olds, some 4-year-olds who have their own tablets now, downloading and installing applications, and even 3-year-olds are now programming their own computer. That is how advancing technology we are. So advise them. I say Google, Gaga, Google, subscribe, subscribe or something like that. Anyways, people, smash like we have some good news. We have some really good news. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Certainly, this is big news, people. So Khadija Shaw has extended her contract with Manchester City. I don't think that's even surprising. I highly doubt that's surprising. But we want to hear what Khadija Shaw to say. So we're gonna read some manuscript. Is it manuscript from what she said. Some quotes from actually what she said about being at Manchester City. Just dive in a little more information about the contract and the details of the contract and these things. So people, as I said, hit like button, hit subscribe button. Before I do that, as I said, road to 30K. Let me just give a shout out to our channel members. The Original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Lee Bell, Marzan Ricketts, Jamil Witter, Roko Reacts, Devon Hughes, and the Ellisworth. My respect to you guys, and the 2 Patreon, Ravan Bennett and Raymond Austin. Bless up to you guys. Thank you very much for the support. Alright, let's get into the meat of the matter. No time to waste. So them call it, yeah. Anyways, let's go. You know, Manchester City, they are doing a lot of things right, I would have to say. So this is what it says. Shaw signs 2-year contract extension, which City would take her to 2026. 2026. So basically, I would assume that because we're in 2023, it would seem like, but most likely the contract don't end. It don't end on 2023. So it would have end. Maybe she was on her last year for a contract. Alright, so let's read into what she said. The striker who joined City on an initial 3-year contract, exactly, in the summer of 2021 from Bordeaux, will now remain at the Academy Stadium until the summer of 2026 after putting pen to paper on a new deal. The Jamaica was in scintillating form in 2022-2023, scoring 31 goals in 30 appearances in all competition, alongside securing numerous personal accolades, including City Player and Goal of the Season award, numerous leagues and PFA Player of the Month successes, and being named CONCACAF Women's Player of the Year. She has had a brilliant year where that is concerned. Her effort this term, I've seen her. Oh, my apologies on that. Her effort this year, I've seen her racked up 50 goals in total for Gareth Taylor's side since her arrival in England 2 summers ago, with her having firmly established herself as one of the most prolific forwards in Europe. Also making waves on the international stage with her homeland, she helped the Reggae Girls to qualify for this summer's FIFA Women's World Cup and finished 3rd in the CONCACAF Women's Championship. And following the conclusion of the domestic season, the 26-year-old has committed her future to the Man City team with a 2-year contract extension to her current deal. Let's see what she has to say. Everyone made me feel welcome from the first day I came here. I enjoy the way we play, and I'm at a stage now where I understand the way we play, and I can only get better and grow. I think here at City is the perfect place for me. I put all my effort and time on the pitch, obviously for the position I play and quality I have around me. I know I'm going to be in a position to score goals. I've always said Manchester feels like home away from home too. I enjoy coming to the City ground every day and training with the group, vibing with the girls, and I also have family here. So Manchester has felt like home ever since I arrived. I just want to thank you for, or thank our fans for everything, all the love and support they have given me since I arrived. I've just tried my best to continue repaying them on the football pitch. So this is what the head coach has to say. She has thrived having the opportunity of extended runs in the team throughout the current campaign, and has shown on a regular basis what a talent she is and why we brought her to the club. She scored goals regularly in France and America prior to joining us, and has now shown what she's capable of in England too, which says a lot about her ability. She is still a young player though, who wants to improve and is hungry for success, and we're only scratching the surface with her, which is a very exciting prospect as we aim to develop her even further for the next 3 years. All right. I won't go in more details. I do think that covers a lot of the aspects. So, wow, this is interesting. I never really want to go in further than that, but it's over. It's fair to say the Jamaican has taken her game to the new level in 2022 to 2023 season. Bracing her first competitive match of the season against is it Wolverhampton? WFC Terminus Turan set the tone for a season where the 26-year-old has broken new goal-scoring boundaries for Garrett and Taylor's side. By the end of November 2022, Shaw had grabbed 11 goals in 10 appearances, hitting the 20-goal mark in all competition by late February. Soon after, the Jamaicans braced at Brighton in the Barclays Women's Super League, taking her tally to 26 for the season, saw her surpass Ketia Paris' record for the most goals scored across a single campaign. There were still 8 matches left to play. To further demonstrate how clinical Shaw has been in front of goal, 30 of her 31 strikes this season came from out inside the box. 21 of those were scored with her first touch. Wow, brilliant. But to talk solely about her goals would be a detriment to Shaw's influence on the rest of the team. Indeed, only Chloe Kelly and Lauren Hempt provided more assists than the forward 9 across the campaign. That's nice. With her physical stature, awareness, and impressive first touch, allowing her to bring other players into the fold. Like female Alan. I noticed that the centre backs were scared of Bunny. Her movement and her aerial threat that they were all attracted to her. Laura Combs explained when they reflected on her Manchester derby in December 2022. We speak about this a lot. I just have to end up behind Bunny somewhere. If it's her, it'll come to me. She always says she gets the attention from the defender, so I thought it'd be sneaky and following, and it really worked well. All right, so this is a lot. So they're gonna close it. That's a lot. That's a lot on Bunny. Who definitely deserve her plaudits. Definitely deserve it. As I said, the female Alan, the female Alan of Manchester City, and she's doing brilliant. And this contract is well deserved. And I think they're gonna extend her again. As the coach said, Garrett said, he's basically just scratching the surface of Bunny Shaw's potential, just scratching the surface. I have to say congratulations Bunny Shaw on winning CONCACAF Women Player of the Year, Man City Player of the Year, Man City the leading goal scorer, breaking all these records. Congratulations, you are doing brilliantly, and keep on shining that light for black, green and gold. Keep on shining that light for you, Bunny, and we are all here supporting you. Bless up, people. Well done, Bunny Shaw. You have been brilliant. You have been phenomenal, I have to say. And congratulations, and continue to do the great things that you're doing. This has been a good one, people. Please smash the like button. A lot of reading, yeah, you know. A lot of reading. Smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Peace out, people. Big up. MG Sports TV. Or out. Boom. Music. I'm going to drop one phone. I drop one. Listen out. Listen. Wait until you reach out.